In today's video, I'm going to show you Timber Ridge SUV tent review. Meet the Timber Ridge SUV tent, a car camping tent made for families, road trippers, and people who want nature but still want access to snacks hiding in the trunk. Popular versions include a 5-person SUV tent and a larger 5-9-person model with a screen porch and awning designed to attach to SUVs, vans, CUVs, and some pickups. On paper, this thing is roomy. Walmart lists the larger model at about 13 x 10 feet with an 8.7-inch center height, space for 2 air mattresses or 5 sleeping bags, plus a 6 x 8-foot screened porch for shoes, coolers, chairs, or that one bag nobody remembers packing. Now, user feedback is pretty positive in some places. Walmart shows the 5-9-person SUV tent around 4.8 out of 5 stars, though from only a small number of ratings. Amazon listings also show strong overall brand, customer rating signals, owners like the room, car connection, and family camping convenience. Basically, if regular tents make you crawl around like a raccoon looking for socks, this one gives you breathing room. But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Reddit campers are split on SUV tents in general. One user said a similar SUV tent setup was annoying, slow to pitch, leaked around the hatch, and had zipper problems. Another Reddit user with a Timber Ridge SUV tent said it served them well and did what they needed. Translation: this tent can be great, but setup, weather sealing, and vehicle fit matter a lot. Final verdict: the Timber Ridge SUV tent is a strong pick for family car camping, road trips, and people who want extra space without fully abandoning civilization. But test it at home first, check your vehicle fit, practice setup, and do not wait until midnight rain to learn where the poles go. Camping confidence should not require flashlight panic. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.